Hi everyone, my name is Anamika. I am the owner of brand She, and today I thought I'll show you how to get those dark eyes like Kareena Kapoor or Aishwarya. Well, we all have googled what eyeliner or what kajal Kareena Kapoor uses, and I'm sure you must have tried so many, but you would have not got that kind of look which she has, that those dark eyes. So finally I found out how to get them, and whenever I am like, I do not have anything in mind for my makeup, what I do is I wear those kind of eyes, and everybody asks me what are you wearing on your eyes. So I thought it's a very special video which I'll do it for you, and then you can also nail those dark, super glamorous eyes. So shall we begin? So to begin with, I'm going to use these three brushes from the She 7-piece brush set, and I'm going to use the She 07 brush for filling my brows. Secondly, I'm going to use She 02 for my eyelid, and I'm going to use She 01 for the lower lash line and for my trick. And beside this, I'm going to use Color Kajal, and I'm going to use Nykaa 24-hour liner. Okay, these things are a must-have. Beside this, you can also use a dark eyeshadow. I'm using the Warrior 2 by Juvia's eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this eyeshadow color from it. So I'm going to fill my brows first, and whenever I fill my brows, I always say that I'm going to leave first few strands of hair because I don't want them to look artificial, and then just lightly fill it. You can fill your brows with a pomade, with a blackish brown color, with a brow powder, or with a brow pencil, whatever you like, and just fill it. Now with the back of this brush, I'm going to just brush off my brows. It's super simple. And if you have thin brows, then you must use a pomade, guys. This is the pomade. I'm using this Anastasia one. This is really good. So from my Warrior 2 by Juvia's palette, I'm going to apply the eyeshadow. I'm going to take any brown color and apply it on my crease. Just this way, I'm going to just get little definition to my eyes. And if you see, I'm going to cover my eyelid. Now I'm going to use Color Kajal and draw the lower lash line. First, I will apply the kajal on my waterline, and then slowly thicken the kajal. Like this. Now I'm going to take a black eyeshadow on my She 01 brush and fill my lower lash line which had kajal on it. It's kind of make the kajal stay for a very long time, and it darkens it as well. Okay, don't worry about the little untidiness, we will clean it up later. Now I'm going to do the same on my upper lash line as well, and for that just apply the kajal like this. I would like it to be this thick only. If you want thicker or thinner, it is completely your choice. Next, I'm going to remove the excess fallout with my blender, the Wise blender. You can remove it with a brush as well. So we are getting closer to the look. I now have the dark eyes, and now I'm going to curl my lashes. So my trick is, whenever you curl your lashes, use a very soft band color. I'm using the Vice color. You can use any which you think is good fit. And go 1, 2 and 3. You can also use false lashes. So here I am back with my dark eyes and my lashes. The lashes which I'm wearing are from Vichy as well. You can wear any of your choice. I generally like to wear them because they're like very natural looking and they're very lightweight. Taking some loose powder and fixing my makeup with it. If you want, you can use some blush using the Vichy loose powder, using the Vichy blush brush and the Warrior 2 by Zubias. Go a little slow with this blush because it's very pigmented. I'm not doing any contour or anything, just this much and I'm good to go. So do tell me if you liked my tutorial and what you would like me to do more. I'll see you again.